Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn our chapter 12. We will learn our chapter 12, Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, Animals. Okay. In previous class we have learned this chapter, half chapter. Okay, so in previous class we have learned kinds of animals. Okay, kinds of animals. We have learned the different types of animals. Okay, animals can be categorized as farm animals, pet animals, wild animals, water animals, birds, insects and reptiles. Okay, now today we will continue this chapter. Today we will continue this chapter. So today we will learn insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. Insects. What is insects? Insects क्या है? Okay. Insects are the most tiny animals. Insects क्या होते हैं? सबसे छोटे animals होते हैं, है ना? इनका साइज सबसे छोटा होता है. Some insects have wings to fly. कुछ animals के wings होते हैं, उड़ने के लिए पंख होते हैं. And some animals creep along the ground, है ना? और कुछ animals ground जमीन पर चलते हैं, है ना? Example, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. Honeybee, H-O-N-E-Y, honeybee. And mosquito, M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. These are insects. Okay, butterfly, honeybee and mosquitoes. Okay, some insects have wings to fly and some insects creep on the ground. Now reptiles. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S, reptiles. They creep along the ground and crawl, है ना? जो reptiles होते हैं वो जमीन पर रेंगते हैं, रेंगते हुए अपने knees के और legs के ऊपर वो creep करते हैं. Creep means क्या होता है? What is the mean of creep? Move slowly without noise. बिना किसी आवाज के वो slowly quietly जमीन पर रेंगते हैं. Okay, for example, snake and lizard. S-N-A-K-E, snake, and lizard, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. These are reptiles. Okay, now homes of animals. Homes of animals. Homes of animals. Like we live in our homes, animals should live their homes or shelter. Wild animals find or make their homes and on shelters. We make shelters for our pet animals and farm animals. जो pet animals, farm animals होते हैं उनके लिए हम homes का अरेंजमेंट करते हैं, है ना? और जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स होते हैं वो सेल्फ ओन बेस पर वो अपने शेल्टर का मैनेज करते हैं. A shelter protect an animal from heat, cold, rain and other animals. Okay, so honeybee lives in हनी बी लिव्स इन बी हाइव। जो मधुमक्खी है कहाँ रहती है? मधुमक्खी के होम को क्या कहते हैं? बी हाइव। मधुमक्खी अपने छत्ते के अंदर रहती है ना, तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? बी हाइव। हनी बीज, HONEY, हनी बी lives, LIVES, lives in beehive, BEEHIVE, beehive. Dog lives in kennel, dog lives in kennel, KENNEL, kennel. Okay, dog lives in kennel. Horse lives in stable, horse, 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 LIVES, lives in stable, STABLE, stable. Okay, these are homes of animals. Honeybee homes, beehive, dog homes, kennel, and horse homes, stable. Okay, now hen lives in a coop. Hen lives in a coop, COOP, coop. Bird lives in a nest, BIRD, bird lives in a nest. Ants build ant hills. Okay, so hen lives in a coop, bird lives in a nest, ants build ant hills. Okay, these are homes of animals. Now animals give birth to their own little ones, animals and their young ones. Animals and their THEIR, their young ones. Okay, animals and their babies name. Cow and calf, COW, cow, and calf, CALF, calf. Baby of a cow, calf. Baby of a cow, calf. Dog and puppy, PUPPY. Baby of a dog, puppy. Baby of a dog, puppy. Cat and kitten, cat and kitten, KITTEN, kitten. Baby of a cat, kitten. Hen and chick, hen and chick. Baby of a hen, chick. Lion and cub, lion and cub, CUB, cub. Baby of a lion, cub. Baby of a lion, cub. Sheep and lamb, sheep and lamb. baby of a sheep, lamb. Okay, these are animals and their young ones name. Cow and calf, dog and puppy, cat and kitten, hen and chick, lion and cub, sheep and lamb. These are animals and their young ones name. So children, today we have completed our chapter number 12. We have completed this chapter. So children, please learn this chapter, whole chapter. आपको पूरा chapter ये read करना है. Okay. Now in next lecture we will do this exercise. Okay. Now today insects, butterfly, honeybee, mosquito, reptiles, snake, lizard, homes of animals. Honeybee lives in beehive, dog lives in a kennel, horse lives in a stable, hen lives in a coop, bird lives in a nest, ants build ant hills, and animals and their young ones. So children, please learn chapter 12. Okay, and read this chapter carefully. Thank you.